I'm Dr. Lindsay Trottier. I'm a doctor of acupuncture and Chinese medicine practicing in San Diego, California. And today I'm going to show you a simple exercise to strengthen your back and relieve neck and back pain. All you need is a wall and a broom. All right, let's get started. So, what you're going to do is you're going to stand up close to a wall, facing forward. And you're going to take this broom or a mop or anything with a handle and put it against your hip area, about level with your hip bones. You're going to stand up against the wall like this. In the beginning, you're going to stand just a little bit apart from the wall. And what you want to do is widen your stance so your feet are about shoulder width apart, and you're going to tap your bottom up against the wall, using the broom to push you backwards, like so, okay? So, you take the broom, and this is how you can feel. The broom is here really to feel that your hips are going together, okay? That you're not one side and the other side, a little wonky, okay? That you've got your weight evenly distributed. And you're gonna tap and come back up. And that's one breath. So you can do 5 to 10 like this. You should feel the weight transferring from midfoot to your heel, okay? And you're keeping your upper body fairly straight. So it's really a hinge at the hips. So from the side view, it will look like this. Okay, so again, coming out a little bit from the wall, starting here. When this is too easy, you can take a step forward and you'll slowly reach back and come back up. Slowly reach back and come back up. Okay, so from the side, it will look like this. And you'll really feel this in your hamstrings, okay? And why I recommend this for a lot of patients, actually just yesterday in the clinic, I had 2 patients that I recommended this. First patient, he was saying that he works with glasses, and he's standing and he's having to twist, and he's getting elbow pain from twisting, right? So we've been treating him for his pain, and I said, I want to see you. Are you sitting or standing? And he says, I'm standing when I'm doing this. So he said, I want to see what it looks like when you're standing to do this. So when he showed me, he was like this, rounded through the front, upper body, right? Leaning over these glasses. And I told him, when you stand like this, you take away a lot of power from your shoulder. Your shoulder can't move as well. Okay, when you're rounded forward. And so a smaller joint, the elbow, is doing all the work. And it will get fatigued easily. So I showed him how to stand, leaning forward like this, with a hinge. And he said, yeah, it doesn't hurt as much. I don't have to use as much pressure. To get the pain, I have to push harder, because now you can see his shoulders able to move. My second patient that I recommended this to yesterday in the clinic, she was having neck and shoulder pain. And I asked her what she did for a living, and she did some childcare, she did some housekeeping, and then she also had her own family to take care of. So I said, okay, so you're picking up kids, you're vacuuming, you're sweeping, and you're probably doing it like this. Because for some reason, we all tend to end up in this position, and it causes us pain. Picking up the kids, right? Groceries. So again, I showed her, when you go to pick up, you need to hinge and pick up. Or when you're going to vacuum again, you're vacuuming, you're sweeping. When you have this hinge, you're not rounding forward with these shoulders. And I talked a lot about the tug of war. These front muscles are balancing these back muscles. These get pulled forward, get tight, they get stronger, and these get weaker, okay? So you want to have them balanced. So I have some other videos about how to strengthen these back muscles, and you can check those out. But another thing you can do, especially if you're standing and moving, is make sure you have this hinge, okay? You have these hinge at your hips, so you protect, keep your low back protected, and you keep your neck and shoulders open with whatever you're doing. Okay, so this is a simple exercise you can do at home. If you have any questions, you can always contact me at my website, lindsaytrottier.com. You can come visit me at my new clinic, Level Acupuncture. And if you're having any problems or any continued pain, consider booking a treatment or consultation with me. All right, I hope this helps. Everyone have a good day.